So your examples and question both are important for your board exam. Okay. So today we will learn how to add roots, multiply and divide roots. Okay. So these are examples 12, 13 and 14 of your number system, that is class 9th new NCERT's question. Okay. So moving to your first question, that is you have to add. Okay. So how you add the roots? So it is very simple. So the question is 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3, and here and means you have to add both the terms. Okay. So write down the question as it is and write add in place of and. Okay. Now you have to be very carefully, because the same root value will add with the same root value. Okay. So what I'm saying if the base of the root is same, then that value will add with themselves. Okay. So here 2 root 2 will add to the root 2 because both the base are same, and root 3 will add with root 3. Okay. So here both the bases are equal, so you have to add 2 root 2 plus root 2. So here root 2 means what? 1 root 2. So what it will be? 2 plus 1, 3 root 2. Now write down the question, 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Now here you will see that both the bases are same. Bases here means that the value under roots are same. So if the value are same, then we have to add or subtract according to the sign. So here we will subtract. So 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3, how much? 5 minus 3, 2. So 2 root 3 will be your answer. Here you cannot add because it's very simple, because both the bases are different. One is root 2 and another one is root 3. So you cannot add. Okay. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now moving to your next question. So next question you have to multiply. Okay. So how you will multiply the values that are written under roots? So it is very easy. So see friends, here the question says 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. So here by means what? So according to question you have to change the sign. So here by becomes multiply. Okay. So your question will be 6 root 5 multiply 2 root 5. Okay. So according to question you have to decipher that. Okay. Now when you are going to multiply, then you can see that 6 root 5 means what? 6 multiply root 5. Okay. So 6 into root 5, and accordingly 2 into root 5. So this is the logic behind 6 root 5 and 2 root 5. So all the terms are in multiplication here. Now you will multiply the independent number with independent number and multiply roots with roots. Okay. So what it will be 6 into 2, how much? 12 into root 5 into root 5 will multiply together under one single root. So it will becomes 5 into 5. Now 12 into under root 25. So 12 into what you can write 25? You can write 5 square is 25. Now I am going to tell you the trick behind under root. Okay. So if some number is written, suppose 5 square written under root, then it means ki 5 is means that 5 square has a power half. Okay. Now according to your law of exponent, if a to the power m to the power n is given, then it will become a to the power mn. Okay. So under root 5 square means what? Under root 5 square means 5 square has a power of half. Okay. So now as per your law of exponent, so both the powers will multiply together. So 5 ki power 2 into half. So 2 will cancel out. Okay. Now you will have 5 to the power 1. That means 5 can be written one time. So 5 will be your answer as per the question. So the question becomes what? So the question becomes 12 into 5. So 12 into 5 what? 60. So 60 will be your answer. I hope you got the question. Now moving to your third question, that is here you have to divide. Okay. So the question says 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. So here by becomes what? So as per question you have to write by, division in place of by. So 8 root 15. So here by becomes division. So divide by 2 root 3. So you divide it as traditional method. So what it will be? 8 root 15 upon 2 root 3. Okay. Now what you can write in place of root 15, so that root 3 will cancel out. So in place of root 15 you can write root 5 into root 3, because here if the both terms will multiply then it will become root 15 only. Okay, so now you can cancel out numerator and denominator by like this will become root 3 will cancel out because every terms are in multiplication only, and 2 4 times will be 8, so 2 here cancel and root 3 will cancel, so you will have 4 root 5 will be your answer. Okay, I hope you understand it, and for more such videos from your number system exercise 9, stay tuned for my next video and you will do next exercise from number